Okay. So now today's forecast is heavy showers of blessings, strong winds to blow your worries away, followed by warm hugs to put a smile on your face. So this is the forecast for today's session. So you will be happy today and with lots of gratitude. Just don't forget to take the dose of gratitude every day so that there is the magic happening in your life every day. Great. So हमारा जो सैटरडे को सेशन था उसमें हम लोगों ने गिफ्ट ऑफ हेल्थ की बात की थी. So now you must have experienced few things. So anybody would like to share? असाइनमेंट किया था, कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं कोई? Okay. Right. What about yesterday's practical sessions? Any experience? Anybody has any experience who would like to share with everybody? Because if you share your experience, the people who are there, you know, they get inspired. So anybody would like to share? आप सब शांत क्यों बैठे हुए हैं? क्या मैंने म्यूट कर रखा है सबको? बट मेरा तो एक्सपीरियंस है. कल जो मैंने जिस रिलेशनशिप पे काम किया था, I got a call. मतलब I believe after 3 years, I got a call from him. He is my cousin brother, and I don't know how he stopped talking to me. I kept blessing him, but yesterday I just went back, flashback, past से उसको complete करती गई. Whatever was written, I just wrote it down, and I was amazed to see his call. You know, he's in US. सुबह 6:30 बजे मेरी जब मैं अपनी meditation कर रही थी, his call was there. I was wow. So this is the power of magic that you create yourself. You know. So anybody else has Nitesh ji ने तो कल experience share कर दिया था. Anybody else has some experience to share? कमलजीत ने भी किया था. Why don't you share? अच्छा, okay. Anybody else would like to share, please? Nobody? Okay, we can go ahead. No, not a problem. Okay, so today is a very important topic which everybody loves. That is about money, magical money. Wow. So who is going to read today? Gratitude is riches, complaint is poverty. So just be in gratitude, not in complaint mode. Always remember, one complaint is equal to 10 gratitudes. So let's not complain about anybody. Let's not discuss anything about anybody, because complaint means gossip karna. दूसरे के बारे में gossip करना when that person is not present over there. So we should not talk about the other person. आप बात करना चाहते हो, उससे सामने उसके face पे बात करो, so that the things get clarified. So that is good. अच्छा, please unmute. Sorry, it's मेरा fault है. Okay, just a sec. अच्छा, मैंने सबको mute कर दिया. Oh wow. Now can you unmute yourself? Kamalji?
Yes, now
Yes.
I guess you can hear. Yeah.
Yes. Now tell me.
Ma'am, I had attended 2 sessions of Vipassana long time back, and in those times, like going through those 10 days, I had that sensation on that skin. You know, you have that feeling. But after a very long time, you know, I had those sensations yesterday as equal to that Vipassana sensations.
Wow.
It was amazing. You know, when you're doing this, the circle of power, and you know, I was going through all that. All this thing started vibrating.
Wow.
And this hand started getting a little bit hotter, so sweaty rather. So that's my experience, and it is a really powerful experience.
So
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
great, great. Anybody else would like to share? Thanks for sharing, Kamalji. Kiran, okay, you can't unmute yourself. अभी तो मैंने सबको unmute कर दिया था. I'm sorry, let me check. Yes, Kiran, you can do it now. Kiran, you can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You want to share something?
No. I saw others writing that they want you to unmute them.
Okay. So you don't
Still,
want.
there are chats who cannot hear you. I mean,
Okay.
if you read some chats, you'll still see people saying unmute us.
Got it. Thanks for supporting everybody. But you must share what is there in your mind. Must share it.
I will. Very soon I will.
Okay. Great. So who's going to read today? I want new volunteer. Who would love to read today? Come on. Volunteer yourself. Magical reading. Chapter. Money. Wow. Kisko money chahiye? Who wants money? Everybody wants money, right? So, यतीश जी आप भी अनम्यूट हो गए हो. अब तो सबको मैंने अब तो मैंने चेंज कर दिया. Yes. Yes, please. Who's going to volunteer themselves for money chapter? Sangeeta can read. Anjana can read. Guneet, why don't you read?
I can read, Monica.
I know you're always available. I know that.
Ma'am, my daughter is with me. She'll create so much of noise. That is why I was not volunteering.
Not a problem. That's okay. Who else?
Monica,
Yes.
I have a 1 minute sharing. If
Yes, please.
like just now, we just finished with Ganpati Visarjan.
Okay.
And everything went off so well. बिल्कुल right time पे ही हो गया सब कुछ.
हाँ.
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. It was so beautiful.
Same happened with me.
Full experience. Yeah.
Days was
I'm very
full of. It was completely jam packed. कल एक हम लोग कोई sessions attend कर रहे हैं. सुबह 8 बजे से कल Saturday Sunday दोनों दिन था. So I was really worried. सुबह 8 बजे से जो शुरू हुआ कल रात के हम I did till 7 to 8:30 हो गया था यहाँ पे. Then morning में again it started at 8:30. Today अभी भी चल रहा था सेशन में छोड़ के इधर आ गई और बीच में मेरा होमवर्क देन गणपति का खाना एवरीथिंग ऑफ पैक टू पैक
मेरा बिल्कुल राइट टाइम पे अभी हुआ है.
अचीवमेंट. हाँ. So mine also completed at 4:30 because मेरा 4:30 के बाद मुझे दूसरे सेशन में जाना था तो मुझे
and it was so joyful and मतलब बहुत ही आनंद आया और मतलब जाते समय वो इतना फील होता है ना जब गणपति
जब गणपति जाते हैं. वेरी ट्रू.
मैम मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ जी बोलो जी.
गुड इवनिंग. तो बेसिकली कभी कभी क्या होता है कि पीपल यू नो दे बिहेव इन टू साइड ऑफ थिंग्स. जैसे कि वो लोग बहुत हंसते हंसते बात करते हैं, यू नो they'll be very nice outwards and all, but suddenly जब कुछ छोटी सी भी गलती हो जाती है and all, you know, they become very silent. मतलब they don't even care कि दूसरे लोग कर क्या रहे हैं. They don't even bother to reply. ऐसे लोगों का पता है they are happy, they will be happy at any cost. but लेकिन दूसरों का जो होता है they don't even think कि you know what they have done all these days and all. ऐसे लोगों का how do we need to perceive?
कौन बोल रहा है ये सब कुछ?
आप ही मैम.
नहीं कौन बोल रहा है ये सब कुछ?
मैं बोल रही हूँ. मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ. आप बताओ.
ये
आप बोलो.
That is what I'm saying. जो आप बोल रहे हो आपकी सोच है.
हाँ मतलब मैं वही पूछ रही हूँ डायरेक्टली. आप जब बात में किसी से बात कर रही हूँ वो लोग इतना बात कर रहे हैं और सडनली मैं जब रिप्लाई देती हूँ या फिर बात करती हूँ, वो लोग बात नहीं करते हैं, हाउ डू आई टेक दैट?
अगर वो नहीं बात करना चाहते हो मत बात करो, आपको क्या
मतलब
बात करके। सी
नहीं, मैंने उनको हेल्प किया है अभी 2 महीना, तो फिर मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ तो गिल्ट रहेगा ना। मैं यहाँ पे बदनाम हो रही हूँ, मैं फूल बन रही हूँ यहाँ पे।
आप एक बात बताओ, अगर वो बात कर उसको उस सी यू हैव टू सी फ्रॉम दिस पर्सपेक्टिव, इफ दैट पर्सन इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग, दैट पर्सन इज नॉट टॉकिंग, तो उसको छोड़ दो ना, कम आउट ऑफ इट और स्पेस दे दो, थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे। Why you go into guilt? Why do you go into those things and you're talking कि ये हो जाए, वो ऐसे कर, कैसे कर, उसका आप तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते। देखो जो जैसा है वो वैसा ही रहेगा, ठीक है। जस्ट आपको अपने आप को उस चीज से हटाना है, थोड़ा सा डिटैच कर लो अपने आप को।
नहीं, मैंने डिटैच करके देखा है, मैंने बहुत तरीके से मनाने की भी कोशिश की है, बट यू नो थिंग्स आर नॉट अलाइनिंग, सो आई गेस आई हैव टू गिव देम सम स्पेस।
आप बताओ।
तो थैंक यू। क्या
मतलब अब क्या बताएं, क्या करना है?
नहीं, मेरे को कुछ करना नहीं है, मैं वही कह रही हूँ। हाँ नितेश जी, थैंक यू सो मच। नहीं, मैं तो यही कह रही हूँ कि मैं ना डिटैच करके, कन्विंस करके, काफी कुछ ट्राई करके देख चुकी हूँ, बट यू नो इट इज नॉट इवन देयर कप ऑफ टी नाउ। अभी जो ट्राई कर लिया।
Hold on, there are so many complaints that you are saying. उस
This is not a complaint. This is my point of view.
Show lots of gratitude and the things will happen.
Gratitude मैंने शो किया, एक्शन में भी शो किया. That is when I came to this.
करोगे ना तो उसमें complaints नहीं होती है. Either gratitude will be there or complaints will be there. दोनों चीजें एक साथ हो ही नहीं सकती. So you have to remove. और किसी भी चीज का सॉल्यूशन कंप्लेंट्स है ही नहीं, उसका
मैं कंप्लेन कर ही नहीं यहाँ पे, मैं यहाँ पे कह रही हूँ कि मैंने क्या है
अभी जो आप कर रहे हो, that is a kind of complaint.
It is a kind of guilt, it is a shame I am feeling.
तो ये
आप मेरी बात को समझो।
ये कौन सोच रहा है? आपको कल जो मैंने एक्सरसाइज कराई थी ना, आप उस बंदे का नाम लिखो and show the gratitude to him and उस चीज को
मैंने वो सब किया है,
सर्कल में डाल दो and see the things happening. मैंने अपने रिलेशनशिप में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लेके आई हूँ। जो he stopped talking to me, my cousin brother, उसको मैंने कहा let me see how I can go ahead with it. तो वो करा, उसका मॉर्निंग में मेरे पास 6 बजे कॉल आया, मेरे पास 3।
हाँ मैम, पर लेकिन होता क्या है ना, कभी कभी हम लोग कितना भी कुछ कर ले, sometimes it doesn't matter to people.
If you stand on a complaining mode, there is no solution.
हाँ तो फिर इसका मैं आपको और एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. I'll give you one more example. I was going through this situation before few years कि मैंने अपने मम्मी को किसी बात पे बाय मिस्टेकली बोल दिया, मामा आपने ऐसे ड्रामा मत किया करो. I just told her, ठीक है. After few years, after 6 years of time, at one point of time, she told me, मेरे को घर में भवानी बुलाते हैं, भवानी अपना ड्रामा मत करो. You know, it means like you know that word has come ripple effect. तो इस सिचुएशन में भी यही हुआ है. मैंने you know at a point of time I said something and now I am being told that it has come back to me. Now why I am complaining is because that person has complained about my work. That is the reason now I am feeling that I have complaining.
बच्चे उसका एक ही सोल्यूशन है, आपको उस बंदे का जो भी है उसका नाम लिखो, उसको ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करो and see the things happening. Give time, give space, और आप उसका लिखो नाम and see the and show the gratitude. Gratitude से कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो टूट नहीं सकती.
आप नहीं मानोगे मैम मेरी बात, लेकिन मैं जिस दिन से ग्रैटिट्यूड का सेशन अटेंड कर रही हूँ, I have been writing that person's name in gratitude list every day and मैं उनको मान के चलती हूँ. अगर
ग्रैटिट्यूड के लिखने से कुछ नहीं होता until and unless there is from the heart.
It is from the heart because I show it in action.
So there is no
I show it in my time.
नहीं होती बच्चे, फिर कंप्लेंट नहीं होती है, या कंप्लेंट होती है या ग्रैटिट्यूड होता है, दोनों में से एक चीज रह सकती है. तो अभी तो सिर्फ
apart from that you are not telling any other thing, no? So that's it. थैंक यू।
सॉल्यूशन इसका यही वाला, और क्या कहूंगी, इसका यही सॉल्यूशन।
ग्रैटिट्यूड सेशन में तो यही सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है।
ओके, यू गो अहेड व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू थिंक लाइक। आपने कल एक्सरसाइज जो करी थी उसको रिपीट करो एंड सी द थिंग हैपनिंग।
आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव इट वन मोर ट्राई।
हाँ,
क्योंकि मैं अपना जो क्रिया होता है ना उसका भी मैं कर रही हूँ, एंड इवन यू नो आई एम ट्राइंग इन अदर वेज आल्सो।
जब तक आप कंप्लेंट मोड में बैठे रहोगे कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकलेगा।
आई एग्री टू दिस पॉइंट। कंप्लेंट समथिंग अबाउट पास्ट, एटीट्यूड इज
ये
नॉट प्रेजेंट।
चश्मा डला हुआ है मेरे को, मेरे को यही इसी चश्मे से दिखेगा। मैं चाहे कितना मर्जी देखूं सब कुछ इसी चश्मे से दिखेगा। अगर मैं चश्मा उतार के, द विजन इज डिफरेंट। So if you are looking at the complaint mode, it is different. If you just remove the complaint mode, get aside, उस चीज को साइड करो और ग्रैटिट्यूड लिखना शुरू करो, तो things will change, automatically change होगी, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
हाँ, पर लेकिन यहाँ पे मैडम मैं वही आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
अगर किसी से बात नहीं भी करते हो तो उसका भी आपको जवाब मिलता है। तो you have to show that gratitude.
अच्छा, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
हाँ जी, बोलो।
अभी ये रियलिटी प्रैक्टिकलिटी में बात करते हैं। लाइक यू नो, अभी मेरे को इतना गिल्ट क्यों भर गया मेरे, अभी मेरे को इतना कंप्लेंट का क्यों आ गया? क्योंकि इट इज बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गिल्ट क्रिएटेड बिकॉज ऑफ आई हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट माय वर्क इज नॉट वर्थ। नहीं नितेश जी, मैं उनको कंट्रोल नहीं करना चाहती हूँ। And you are right. Somewhere I am expecting the person to expect the way I am expecting. It is right. Yes, it's their opinion. I agree to this. It's their opinion.
First, if you actually think that I am your mentor, start doing your mirror exercise. You don't trust yourself first of all.
Because I have been told by someone who is very close
तुमको
to
कहेगा
me.
तुम बेवकूफ हो तो तुम बेवकूफ हो। कोई कुछ भी कहता रहेगा और तुम मान जाओगी।
हाँ, मैं मानूंगी क्योंकि उसने मेरे को इतना कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सिखाया है।
You are not listening, बच्चे। You are not listening. You have to listen. Stand in front of the mirror, talk to yourself for 10 minutes, and then come back over here in the class. This is not a solution of any problem. If you want a solution, you have to follow it.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yes, come on.
Thank you, ma'am. Sorry अगर आपको गुस्सा आ गया तो।
मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आया because you're not listening. That is what. मेरा तो काम है, मैं यहाँ पे सेशन लेने आई हूँ, मैं आप लोगों की प्रॉब्लम के लिए ही आई हूँ। मुझे कोई वो नहीं है। मेरा एक कमिटमेंट है इस ग्रुप के साथ कि every person on this group should be happy, should get their life transformed. उसमें से आप भी एक हो। अगर आपकी जिंदगी में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं हो रही है तो there is something wrong in me, in my coaching, in my mentoring. And if you are not listening to me, then I have to talk to you. Just stop it now. Go in front of the mirror, talk to yourself for 10 minutes. तुम्हारी जगह
के बाद I don't have anything to talk to myself.
You talk to yourself in the mirror. Appreciate yourself in the mirror. This is what you need to do. मिरर में क्या करते हैं? आई चालीसा पढ़ते हैं ना, आई चालीसा पढ़ो। अपने आप को अंडर एस्टिमेट मत करो तेजस्विनी।
श्योर मैम।
हाँ,
बट लेकिन इट हर्ट मी, तो मैं हर्ट में हो गई बस। तो आई वाज लाइक
हर्ट करने, या तो आप सॉल्यूशन मेरे से पूछ रहे हो, अगर आपने उसी मोड में रहना है तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट डिस्कसिंग ओवर हियर बच्चे। आप अगर यहाँ पे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे तब पूछो अगर आप अपने मेंटोर की बात माननी है आपने। अगर आपने अपने मेंटोर की बात नहीं मानी है तो डोंट आस्क क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर। देयर इज नो आर्गुइंग, देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ आर्गुइंग।
मैं आर्ग्यू नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं अपने फीलिंग से जा रही हूँ। सो आई आस्क्ड यू।
Everybody is here. Everybody will tell you what is happening now.
Right.
तुम अपने ही मोड में खड़ी हो और वहीं से बोलती जा रही हो। हटो वहां से।
Yes, I understand. I'm in that mode.
हटो वहां से, यही मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको। Just come out of that mode. Appreciate yourself, how extraordinary person you are, how much knowledge you have got.
I'm sorry, but ये actually मेरे साथ 4-5 दिनों से चल रहा है, तो आज मेरे को थोड़ा burst out होना पड़ा.
आपको उसका एक ही solution है बच्चे, show gratitude to that person. That's it.
Right.
There is no other option. अपनी mirror exercise करो. And just stand in front of the mirror, talk to yourself, don't degrade yourself, devalue yourself. If other person is not saying anything, just leave that. You never know what उस person के साथ क्या हो रहा है. आप सिर्फ अपने perspective से देख रहे हो. वो उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, you never know. आप
ये सही बात है.
किसी के लिए कोई भी judgment करने से पहले, you know, what you have to do is you have to detach yourself over there and then see what is happening. You just keep on showing that. आप किसी से जबरदस्ती प्यार नहीं करवा सकते, आप किसी से जबरदस्ती रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दिला सकते. तो उसका सिर्फ एक ही इलाज होता है. मेरा भी, मैं अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बता रही हूँ. There are many times, you know, you cannot say many things to your husband. There are many times you cannot say anything to my son, you know. मेरा सिर्फ एक ही काम होता है. And it is for everybody to listen to this thing. If something happens, you cannot say to people, you want the things to happen at the right time, at right places. So the best thing is what you need to do is create through your magic. Sometimes you cannot convey to the other person due to some reasons. एक मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक proposal आया था, लेकिन मैं उनको नहीं मुंह से बोलना चाहती थी कि you need to talk to me regarding the monetary things, you know. So I never wanted to talk about all these things. I just kept myself in prayer. I just want clarification on that. And I got a call and they said, ma'am, we want to sit, we want a meeting to clarify the monetary conditions. See, magic will happen no matter what. Only your intention has to be there. If your intention is there to transform that relationship, या तो आप उसको कंप्लेंट करते जाओ, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, कुछ नहीं. आप उस बंदे का नाम लिखो, आपके मन में जो ग्रजेस है, यू राइट डाउन एट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, फिर उनको थ्रो कर दो पावर ऑफ सर्कल के अंदर. राइट डाउन द ग्रैटिट्यूड. ग्रैटिट्यूड का जवाब ना आए, हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज यू स्टैंडिंग ऑन द कंप्लेंट मोड, that will not serve the purpose. Simple.
That's been my emotion a long time. तो
उस इमोशन में क्यों जान. मैंने यही बात बोली, मैं बहुत टाइम से बात बोली. Whatever happens, emotion is involved, experience is involved. Now move emotion, don't be with the emotion. Emotions are attached हो गए तो learning भूल जाओगे आप.
Okay.
hold the learning part, remove the emotion part. बहुत बार लोग गाली देके भी चले जाते हैं. अगर वो ही सोचने लगते तो तुम फिर उसी गाली में रह जाओगे. You never know कि अगला बंदे के साथ क्या हो रहा है, तुम्हें ये नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है, और अपने आप यही बैठे बैठे सपने बुनते जा रहे हो. वो ऐसे नहीं कर रहा, वो ऐसे नहीं कर रहा, वो ये ऐसे नहीं होता. You have to be matured enough to understand someone is not saying anything. That's okay. Detach, show gratitude. अपने आप कॉल आएगा. बस सॉल्यूशन यही है. बाकी आपकी मर्जी, आप जो मर्जी करो.
नहीं, आपसे पूछना था मेरे को, तो
You were not listening.
I got.
बात पूछने से तब फायदा है जब आप उसको सुनो. जब आप नहीं सुनोगे तो कैसे चलेगा. You have to trust. Very good, Angad. I really loved that you have written. You just need to trust gratitude. Don't count the time. Do it as patiently as you can. Yes, Simran, very well written, you know. So that is what, don't expect anything from people. Just very, very good. अच्छा, इसी बहाने रुको. बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक उठाया. Very, very good. I'm so happy. Yesterday I missed this thing और मैं आज दिखाना पड़ेगा मुझे आपको. Good. Thanks, Tejaswini, you brought this thing up.
Nowadays, what I feel.
The video cannot be seen.
मैं देख रही हूँ बेटे, एक मिनट कर रही हूँ स्क्रीन, एक सेकंड रुको.
Ma'am, I will read the chapter today.
Wonderful, that's cool. अभी आप next आप ही की बारी में आगे. Just let me show this video. This is an important video which I wanted to show yesterday because this is connected to relationships. Very beautiful video.
Is that families or relations, they are losing their real meaning, and nowadays it's like people don't want to understand. People are like, they want others to understand them, but they are not willing to understand others. Like, even if they understand, empathy is missing. Everybody is running after money or something else, but life is nowhere.
मतलब ये कह सकते हैं कि हर कोई भाग रहा है आज के टाइम में. ये सच है, झूठ है? एक मिनट के लिए भी हमारी जो अटेंशन है, हमारा जो ध्यान है, हमारा जो माइंड है, वो एक जगह पे टिकता ही नहीं. कितनी जल्दी इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है. मतलब पहले इंफॉर्मेशन कम थी, तो वी वर नॉट बॉम्बार्डेड विद अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. अब इंफॉर्मेशन कितनी है हमारे आसपास, हमारे हाथ में, मोबाइल में कितनी इंफॉर्मेशन है. इंफॉर्मेशन के अलावा है क्या? इंफॉर्मेशन ही इंफॉर्मेशन है. यहाँ ये हो रहा है, वहाँ हो रहा है. मतलब एक सेकंड के लिए भी हम टिक नहीं सकते कि इंफॉर्मेशन पे टिकते हैं या फटाफट से देख के आगे निकल जाते हैं. मेरी कुछ वीडियोस हैं जैसे.
Okay, right. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, please.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for letting me have this chance to reading. Okay. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. If there's a lack of money in your life, understand that feeling. Worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, or fearful about money can never bring more money to you, because those feelings come from lack of gratitude for the money you have. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of cost of something, or making someone else feel bad about money are not acts of gratitude. And the money in your life can never improve. It will worsen.
अभी आप देखो, हम लोगों ने relationships की बात करी. अब the relationship means the relationship with the money also. देखो, money भी वही कह रहा है. कोई कंप्लेंट करते हो money के मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, या मेरे पास पैसा टिकता ही नहीं है, ये मेरी पर्स पे पैसे नहीं है, कुछ और कहीं से और से मांगने पड़े. These are the statements we ourselves are saying कि हमारे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं. तो वो frustration, वो जो है, वो that is the relationship with the money. So just don't do that, because you have to show. मैं कह रही हूँ, 1 रुपया भी है, just show gratitude. Thank God I've got a 1 rupee note. Wow, I love it. Just show gratitude. हर चीज का तोड़ gratitude है. Gratitude will multiply your relationships. Give everything in abundance. If you have grudges and complaint, it will be deteriorating. So just remember to show gratitude to everyone. Yeah, please.
No matter what your current situation, the very thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. You have to get your current situation out of your mind and instead feel grateful for the money you do have, so the money in your life can magically increase. Whoever has gratitude for money will be given more, and she or he will have in abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for money, even what she or he has will be taken from him or her. Feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for everyone. But when you understand that nothing will change until you're grateful, you will be inspired to do it. The subject of money can be a tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So there are 2 steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through the entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day, because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. Sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. As you recall each memory where your money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words, "Thank you," with all your heart for each instance. Did you always have food to eat? Did you live in a home? Did you receive an education over many years? How did you travel to school each day? Did you have school books, school lunches, and all the things you needed for school? Did you go on any vacations when you were a child? What were the most exciting birthday gifts you received when you were a child? Did you have a bike, toys, or a pet? Did you have clothes as you grew so quickly from one size to the next? Did you go to the movies, play sports, learn a musical instrument, or pursue a hobby? Did you go to the doctor and take medicine when you were not well? Did you go to the dentist? Did you have essential items that you used every day, like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and shampoo? Did you travel in a car? Did you watch television, make phone calls, use lights, electricity, and water? All of these things cost money, and you received them all at no charge. As you travel through memories of your childhood and youth, you'll realize how many things you received that equate to hard-earned money. Be grateful for every single instance and memory, because when you can feel sincere gratitude for the money you received in the past, your money will magically increase in the future. It is guaranteed by universal law. To continue with the practice of magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill, "Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life." Take your magic dollar bill with you today and put it in your wallet, purse, or pocket at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want. Take it out, hold the magic dollar bill in your hands, read your written words, and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. The more sincere you are and the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of your money. You will never know ahead of time how your money will increase, but likely you will see many different circumstances change for you to have more money. You could find money you didn't realize you had, receive unexpected cash or checks, receive discounts and rebates or decrease in cost, or receive all kind of material things that would have cost you money. After today, put your magic dollar bill in a place where you will continue to see it every day to remind you to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Never forgetting that the more times you look at your magic dollar bill and feel gratitude for the money you have been given, the more magic you will bring forth. An abundance of gratitude for money equals an abundance of money. If you find yourself in a situation where you're about to complain about something to do with money, whether it's through your words or your thoughts, ask yourself, am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because that one complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money.
Always remember, when you have a complaint about the money, the gratitude is not there, the flow will stop. अगर आपकी लाइफ में एक सिचुएशन आई हुई है जहां पे पैसा नहीं आ रहा है ना जा रहा है, मतलब इट इज लाइक इट इज जस्ट गोइंग, इट इज नॉट कमिंग, इट इज द फ्लो इज नॉट देयर, इन एंड आउट इज नॉट हैपनिंग, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? अगर तो फ्लो ही नहीं है तो हमारे एयर इन और आउट हो ही नहीं रहा है. जब इन आउट नहीं हो रहा है तो देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, व्हाट दिस चैप्टर इज सेइंग इज, आपके इस बुक के अंदर डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स हैं, हर एक का जो जो टॉपिक भी आएगा उस टॉपिक में आपको अपने पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस को करना है. अब इस चैप्टर में इसने बोला है आप अपने बचपन से शुरू हो जाओ, आराम से तसल्ली से बैठना, एक जगह बैठ के बचपन से सोचना शुरू करो, जो आपको याद हो कि मेरे को कब किसने क्या गिफ्ट दिया था, मुझे कुछ अमाउंट मिला था, नहीं मिला था, किसी ने मुझे कोई डॉल गिफ्ट की थी, किसी ने कुछ, मतलब व्हाट एवर गिफ्ट यू हैव रिसीव्ड, साइकिल, घड़ी, गोल्ड चेन, व्हाट एवर यू गॉट द गिफ्ट, बचपन से शुरू हो जाना. जो जो चीजें आपको गिफ्ट मिली है, जहां कुछ भी आपको मिला है, आपको एजुकेशन के लिए पापा ने भेजा, आपको किसी चीज यूनिफॉर्म के लिए, जितनी भी चीजें आपको याद आती है, जस्ट शो ग्रैटिट्यूड टू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग कि आई हैव बीन गिवन दिस. सो दैट इज, चाहे वो आपका कोई पैसे हो, चाहे वो आपके कोई गिफ्ट हो, चाहे वो आपके कपड़े हो, चाहे वो कोई सर्विस हो, that is been provided to you either by your parents or by your uncle, aunt, whomsoever, जो आपको याद हो. जरूरी नहीं है कि सब कुछ याद होगा, जो याद होगा उसको ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करना है. Once you start doing it, you will see the things happening. Lots of gratitude needs to be shown. आपके इस एक्सरसाइज में इतना कुछ छिपा हुआ है, मैं बता नहीं सकती. कि आपने अगर ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत अच्छे से कर ली, nobody can stop money flow to you. And stop complaining कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. Just think you have abundance of money. The only thing is, जैसे हम बैंक में जाते हैं, हम अपना कार्ड देते हैं, हम अपना चेक देते हैं, तब हम पैसे विड्रॉ करा सकते हैं. ऐसे ही ग्रैटिट्यूड का कार्ड है आपके पास. आप ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करोगे तो यू विल गेट दैट abundance of money in your life. And it will come, but you have to show that abundance. Yes, please.
From this day forward, make a promise to yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary for work, a refund, or discount, or something that someone gives you that costs money, you will be truly grateful for it. Each of these circumstances means that you have received money, and each instance gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase and multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have just received.
Now always remember, when you are giving money to someone, just bless that money. Show lots of gratitude, because वो energy exchange है. वो आप दे रहे हो तो उसके अंदर भी आप बहुत सारे ग्रैटिट्यूड दो. जिसको भी दे रहे हो, चाहे वो सब्जी वाले को दे रहे हो, चाहे वो प्रेस वाले को दे रहे हो, चाहे वो किसी को भी दे रहे हो, चाहे आप बिल के लिए दे रहे हो, किसी को भी दे रहे हो, उसको आपने बहुत सारा ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करना है कि जहां जाएगा वो बरकत हो उसकी. ठीक है? So that is what you need to do. And then there is an exercise that you need to do. You will sit, you will think of whatever have been given to you. Just keep thanking for everything. In your assignment copy, just start writing. अपने बचपन से जब से आपको याद आता है तब से शुरू हो जाओ. Yeah, practice.
Magic practice number 5. Magic money. Number 1. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list and say thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel grateful for each one. Number 2. Sit down and take few minutes to think back through your childhood and all the things you have received that were provided at no charge to you. Number 3. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words, thank you, with all your heart for each instance. Number 4. Take a dollar bill or other small bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill in big bold letters. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Number 5. Take your magic dollar bill with you today, at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Number 6. After today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere you will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. Number 7. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah. Thank you, Vineet, for creating such beautifully this chapter.
Thank you, ma'am.
What to do is, first तो आप करोगे कि आपने चाइल्डहुड से सोचना शुरू करोगे आपको क्या मिला है, and then you will take any 2,500 का note. I'll just show you this. Can you see me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is.
हाँ मैम, आप पूरा दिख रहे हो और आपका म्यूट हो गया अभी.
नहीं
अच्छा, गुरनीत इज ऑन म्यूट. हाँ, अभी ठीक है, अभी दिख रहे हो.
ठीक है, thank you. So this is a note. So what you're going to do is you have to write down in a chit that thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. और आपने ये अपने नोट के साथ जैसे स्टिक ऑन्स होते हैं ना, ऐसे करके आपने पेस्ट कर देना. पेस्ट मतलब नोट मत खराब करना, जस्ट ऐसे फोल्ड कर लो, फोल्ड करके आप उसके अंदर डाल दो, सो दैट सी, एंड दिन में जितनी बारी देख सको उतनी बारी देखोगे. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू, इधर 2000 का नोट और 500 का नोट, अब दैट इज अप टू यू. 2 एक्सरसाइजें हैं आपकी. 1 एक्सरसाइज इज फ्रॉम सिंस चाइल्डहुड, आपके माइंड में जितनी चीजें भी आती हैं, जब भी आता है आप उसके बारे में लिखते हो, यू विल बी शोइंग लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड टू इट. ठीक है, एंड देन दिस इज द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. ग्रेट. So this is what you need to do. Okay.
मुझे ये पूछना था, जो बचपन वाली एक्सरसाइज है उसमें ग्रेटिट्यूड मतलब प्रोडक्ट को देना है कि जिन्होंने वो दिया है उनको देना है?
आप ग्रेटिट्यूड शो करोगे कि आपको वो चीज मिली है. थैंक यू सो मच यूनिवर्स फॉर गिविंग मी दैट आइटम. वेदर वो अंकल ने दी हो, मम्मा ने दी हो, पेरेंट्स किसी ने भी दी हो, आपको वो मिली है, आपने उसके लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड गॉड को देना है. थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस. जो भी चीजें आपको याद आती है ना वो. ठीक है यतीश जी? हेलो.
हाँ जी, आ गया.
यस.
हाँ, ओके. नेक्स्ट. सो जो भी आपने वॉट एवर यू हैव, बी ग्रेटफुल टू दैट, आपने वो करना है. और अपना एक मोमेंट आपको याद आता जाएगा, कॉपी में लिखते चले जाना. जो जो याद आता जा रहा है उसको लिख के, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग मी दिस, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, यू हैव टू से दैट. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट यू नीड टू से. चाहे वो मील्स है, चाहे वो लिविंग है, चाहे एजुकेशन है, चाहे ट्रेवल था, स्कूल में आना जाना, स्कूल की बुक्स थी, लंच था, वेकेशंस थी, ड्रेसिंग अप था, कहीं जाना कहीं आना, कोई लेके जाता था, कहीं एक्साइटिंग गिफ्ट्स मिले थे, बाइक मिला हो, पेट हो आपके पास, क्लोथ्स हो, नेक्स्ट साइज बड़ा साइज ले लिया, कुछ है, मेडिसिन, डेंटिस्ट, कार्ट, जो दिमाग में आता है, जितना भी आता है, जस्ट बी ग्रेटफुल टू ईच एंड एवरी इंस्टेंस एंड मेमोरी. So what consumes your mind controls your life. That is a practice. So इसलिए जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है ना वही आपको कंट्रोल करता है. इससे अपने दिमाग में कोई फालतू बात मत आने दो. जस्ट ग्रैटिट्यूड, कीप ऑन शोइंग ग्रैटिट्यूड. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. बिकॉज दिनचर्या में बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. अगर आप सब कुछ लेके चलते रहोगे तो ये देखो, ये इस तरह से आप लोगों ने करना है इसको. एंड यू विल राइट डाउन, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द मनी आई हैव बीन गिवन थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ. You will write down on a piece of a paper, whether it is 100 rupees note or 500, that doesn't matter, but you have to put it like this. और ऐसी जगह रखना ताकि वो आप उसको देख सको दिन में 2-3. मैंने जैसे अपनी डायरी में रखा हुआ है, तो मैं मेरे डायरी सामने ही पड़ी होती है, तो डायरी खोल के मैं 2-3 बार उसको देख लेती हूँ. और अगर अब जैसे कल की एक्सरसाइज है तो दिन पे 3-4 बार करना है. पुट अलार्म फॉर 3-4 टाइम्स, यू नो, तो उससे आपको याद रहेगा कि मुझे आप ग्रेटिट्यूड शो करना है, तो यू कैन शो इट. ठीक है? Okay, now this is what you have to say. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm truly blessed to have bicycle as a birthday gift. Thank you. I'm truly blessed to receive money for my college books from my parents. Thank you. At least 2 items और best 2 items. ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज है जो अभी करनी है आपने. 2 items जो आपको अच्छी नहीं लगी तो least होगी, और 2 best item जो आपको मिली होगी अपनी अभी तक, उसके लिए अभी आप ग्रेटिट्यूड शो करो. This is a small activity that you have to do. 2 least liked items to best liked items. Take out your copies and start doing it. Priya, are you doing it?
I'm actually a little confused. Now, this least like 2 items, this is from the childhood or is it current?
कोई भी, अभी करंट भी हो सकती है, करंट भी हो सकती है.
Okay.
बस आपके पास है और आप उसको ग्रेटिट्यूड शो कर रहे हो बस.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, there is nothing which I don't like. Like, I have been blessed with wonderful parents, and I'm really grateful to God and the universe for giving me such wonderful parents. And ऐसे कुछ नहीं है which
कोई ऐसी आइटम जो कि बहुत ज्यादा लाइक ना करते हो. देखो, एक तो बहुत फेवरेट होते हैं, है ना. कोई भी 2 आइटम चूज कर लो. कुड बी एनीथिंग. यही सोच रहे, इसलिए है कि थोड़ा सा सोचोगे आप.
Okay.
Once you do it, just put it on the chat box. Done.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good.
Sorry for not attending the class today. I got a little busy with work.
Not a problem.
Ma'am, how can I cover up the class today?
So I am posting the video. You can see the video.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Done. Okay, done. Kamalji done. Sangeeta Ranjati ji done. Great. Wonderful. Everybody has done now. Great. So next, again, when we show gratitude, we are in the higher vibrational level. So always remember that you have to be in a very alive mode. You know, you have to be in mode of love, gratitude, joy, compassion, happiness, celebration, satisfaction. It's amazing. So just read this. I met money one day. I said, "You are just a piece of paper." Money smiled and replied, "Of course, I'm a piece of paper, but I haven't seen a dustbin yet in my life." That's attitude. So that's attitude. वो attitude नहीं है, ये वो है कि जब हमें अपने ऊपर एक गर्व होता है, proud होता है, ये वो proud है, ये वो attitude है. So keep this attitude also. Don't allow yourself कि कोई आपको insult करे. So have that kind of attitude, you know. अपने अंदर एक अपनी एक dignity बना के रखती है हमने. So that is the kind of attitude you need to make with you. So that is the attitude of a money, you know. Great. So this is the assignment for tomorrow. What you have to do is, as I have explained you, 10 blessings जैसे आप लिखते हो, money practice, recall back in childhood till now, things provided without charge, यानी कि जो आपको मिली है उनको आप gratitude show करोगे, thank you, and you will write down, take a note, you will write down thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. कोई भी रुपी ले सकते हो, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees, that is up to you. And इसी कनेक्शन से एक बहुत अच्छा वीडियो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. कि ग्रैटिट्यूड और एक्चुअल प्रेयर्स से क्या होता है. और प्रेयर्स हम किसी का नाम ले लो, किसी का वो करने से वो प्रेयर्स नहीं होती. प्रेयर हैज टू बी from heart, and when you do that, everybody has to listen. So the vibrations are so
This is from the Kupwara sector in Jammu and Kashmir. I have been reading this again and again quite a few times in the last few years. The name is A Cup of Tea. There was this group of 15 soldiers.
Yes, पुराने एक बैच से देखे, but this is a very beautiful video. जब भी मैं देखती हूँ मुझे इतना मजा आता है. So I really wanted to share it with you.
Led by a major, and they were on their way to their post in the Himalayas, where they would be deployed for the next 3 months. The batch who would be relieved was waiting anxiously for these guys to reach there. It was cold, very cold winter, intermittent snowfall. It made things really difficult for these people. And they all, 15 of them, had just, one wish that if someone could offer them a cup of tea. Though the major knew that it was a very futile wish, but still, they continued moving ahead and had the same wish. After an hour, before they came across a dilapidated structure which looked like a tea shop, but locked. That was their bad luck, said the major to these guys. It's our bad luck. There are no tea boys. And let's take some rest. We've been walking for 3-4 hours now. They said, we can make tea. There were 15 of them. But we'll have to break the lock, suggested one of the soldiers. Because there was nobody there. The main officer was in great dilemma to this unethical suggestion, being from the army. I mean, they're supposed to protect. But the thought of a steaming cup of tea for all these guys, tired soldiers, winters, cold, made him to give the permission to these guys. So they were in luck. The place had everything needed to make tea, and also, in fact, a packet of biscuit. The soldiers had tea, 2 cups each. They had biscuits and were ready for the remaining journey. The major thought they had broken open the lock also. They had all the tea and all the biscuits, used the milk without the permission of the owner. They are not a band of thieves, but disciplined soldiers. So he took out a few thousand rupees from his wallet, placed it on the counter, pressed under a sugar container so that the owner could see it whenever he would come back. And he was now, relieved of his guilt. He ordered his people to put the shutter down, and he proceeded further. 3-4 months passed by, and they continued to do gallantly in their work and were lucky not to lose anyone from the group in the intense insurgency situation. It was time for another team to replace them. Now they had to go back. On their way back, they stopped at the same place, at the same tea shop. And as it was early in the evening, they saw the shop was open and the owner was present in the shop. The owner was an old man with very few resources, and Ben was very happy to, greet these 15 customers of his. All of them had the tea, had biscuits, and they were talking to the old man about his life, his experience, especially selling tea at such a remote place, and what kind of people come, and etc. etc. And the old man also had many stories to tell them, faith in God, and oh Baba, if God is there, why should he keep you in such poverty then? Commented one of the soldiers. So the guy said, don't say like this, Sahab. Don't say like this. God is actually there and I got proof. So these guys were like, what proof do you have? So he said, 3 months ago, I was going through a very tough time because my only son had been severely beaten up by the terrorists over here who wanted some information from him, which he did not have. I had closed my shop to take my son to the hospital. Some medicines were to be purchased and I had no money. I had just 20 rupees. No one would give me money because of the fear of the terrorists. There was no hope, Sahab. There was no hope. And that day, Sahab, I prayed to God for help, and Sahab, you have to believe that God walked into my shop that day. When I returned to my shop, I found that my lock was broken. I felt I was finished. I was doomed. I lost whatever little I had. But then I saw that God had left a few thousand rupees under the sugar pot. I can't tell you, Sahab, what that money was worth that day. My son's life. God exists, Sahab. He does. The faith in his eyes were unflinching. 15 pairs of eyes met the eyes of the main officer and read the order in his eyes clear. Just keep quiet. The officer got up and paid the bill. He hugged the old man and said, yes, Baba, I believe you. I know God exists. And yes, your tea was wonderful. The 15 pair of eyes did not miss to notice the moisture building up in the eyes of their officer, a rare sight. So now, why did I tell you all this story? Walking on the path of truth and compassion, you can be the messenger of God to anyone. Today, everybody needs to be a messenger of God. We have to have a lot of compassion. And if we follow the path of truth, we can be messengers. And if we can be messengers of God to anyone today, if we can help anyone in any way, we should. We should go ahead and do whatever little bit we can. And let everybody feel that Sahab, Bhagwan hai, God is there, Sahab. So let us walk on the path of truth and compassion, and let us try and be a messenger of God for everybody. Thank you, friends. I know I have taken 8 minutes of your, but I hope this does wonders for the world. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
What a beautiful video. What a beautiful video. Wow. So let us also be the messenger of God. अगर हम किसी के साथ
Nowadays what I feel is that families or relations, they are losing their real.
So that is what I'm trying to say is, let us be the messenger of God and हम कुछ और नहीं कर सकते, एटलीस्ट उनको ग्रैटिट्यूड तो शो कर सकते हैं. अगर हम मॉनिटरी किसी की हेल्प नहीं कर सकते, अगर कर सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं कर सकते, एटलीस्ट द ग्रैटिट्यूड, द ब्लेसिंग्स, लेट अस स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. लेट्स बी द मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉड. क्या रखा है, कितनी चीजें क्या है हमारे पास, बताओ. एंड दैट इज व्हाट, शो द ग्रैटिट्यूड टू योर रिलेशनशिप, शो द ग्रैटिट्यूड टू पीपल. यू सी द थिंग्स हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ. कब क्या चीज हो जाएगी आपको खुद नहीं पता चलेगा. Just be there for the people, be there, whatever help you can do, just please go ahead with it. Because आजकल हम सब इतने सेल्फिश हो गए हैं कि हम सिर्फ अपना 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 ही सोचते हैं. हम किसी की जिंदगी में अगर एक मुस्कुराहट भी दे दें तो उससे अच्छी कोई बात नहीं हो सकती. Always remember, when you are meeting somebody for 2 minutes, for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, वन डे कितनी देर में मिलो, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी को किसी फॉर्म में एक खुशी देके जाओ. And I make sure, I always make sure to whomsoever I meet, I contribute the happiness, I contribute तो कुछ उनको learning देके जाओ, कुछ उनको सिखा, कहीं ना कहीं कैसे ना कैसे उसको सिखा दो जो उसकी जिंदगी भर के लिए उसके लिए वो स्किल हो. So just let's do that, because हम सब अपनी जिंदगी में इतने मशगूल हैं, इतने बिजी हैं, पैसे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, सबके पीछे भाग रहे हैं. Just stop, let's stop ourselves. और सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे को इस लॉकडाउन में मिली है that we are with our families and we can actually sense the kind of relationship that we need and the support that our family needs, you know. So let us do that. Let's contribute ourselves to people, you know. जिनको हम प्यार करते हैं उनके साथ भी, जिनको हम प्यार नहीं करते हैं उसके साथ भी. Thank you so much for taking, I've taken 10 more minutes of yours. I'm really sorry for that. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Wonderful session. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bache. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Bache. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for giving me extra time.
Not a problem. Always welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.